Kenya Gikuyu Entertainment Fraternity ni matigwo na gikeno kingi muno makiria no ni thutha wa one of them artist wa nyimbo cia mugithi na uria ugukoragwo agigika cover cia aini ana hau gabere thutha wake guikorwo agikiruta ndumiriri njega muno ndumiriri atiga mafans ake na gikeno ona ndumiriri ya kugegania muno makiria ndumiriri no ni atuma andu magikorwo magikimwendithiria mawega maingi muno makiria ni undu wa the next step iria aragikorwo agigithie kana agigikinya mundu uyu uri urikitie gukiruta ndumiriri agikoretwo akiuga ati she can't wait to meet her newborn baby na mundu uyu turaria ti ungi indi oikaine ta WACHUKA wa MUCHENDU uri urikitie kumbura ati riu she is expectant and she is remaining with only few weeks nigetha agikorwo agikimit mwana wake WACHUKA wa MUCHENDU akorwo agikirekereria ndumiriri no rurenda-ini rwake rwa Facebook na ndumiriri ingi kuri ogwo mwena wa TikTok na gwikira mbica ino akinyitite her new baby uria etereire gugikorwo ikimunyita giguthomera ndumiriri WACHUKA wa MUCHENDU agikorwo akiruta ni ati "My baby, I cannot wait to meet you and see your little squiggling face, and I can't wait to see the look on your dad's face when you are born. You have made me realize what is and what isn't important, whom I need and what I don't need. You have been a blessing in disguise. Who knew this would be my life or where I would end up, but someone knew it was for the best. Thank you for showing me it doesn't matter that you aren't here yet, but you are the most important person in my life. See you soon, baby." WACHUKA wa MUCHENDU agikiruta ndumiriri na kuga ati ndangikihota gukiwait kana aragikorwo agigeterera ahinda ria delivery nigetha agikorwo akinyita mwana uyu wake uria agikuite thiini wa moko-ini make na hau mafans ta mutugo matinagikorwo magikiria marigu tondu thutha wa WACHUKA gukorwo akirekereria ndumiriri ino na mbica ino iria arakionekana akiri muritu matinakira marigu gukorwo magitengera mwena wa comment section gukorwo magikimuish bakara kumutumira congratulatory messages ni undu wa ikinya riri na mundu gwitwo Star Shiliz aikimira congratulations baby girl. Alice Mugwanja, congratulations to you. Leia Agithaiga agikimira congratulations. Precious Lois, congratulations girl and all the best. Mundu gwitwo Nancy Wairuma agikimutumira emoji cia wendo andu ingi magithii na mbere na gukimwira congratulations riri ni ikinya riega riria akirikitie gukorwo agikioya kuona kugia mwana ti undu raithi indi ni mundu agikoragwo akijipiripite psychologically ona maundu maingi muno nigetha ugikorwo ugikiamukira mwana uria ukirikitie gukorwo ugigikua na oho WACHUKA na kirikiri gugikorwo agigikiraga video mwena wa TikTok aria ona ho bado agikorirwo agikiuga ati etereire ihinda ria gukorwo agikideriva muno makiria nigetha agikorwo agikinyita her new unborn baby na ona ugima uko wa Gikuyu Flavour Media tugakimwendithiria maundu mega. We wish her good delivery na ona family yake igithi na mbere na gukorwo ikirugama mwirori ngumenyithia macio ni mamwe maria tukiuma namo kwa ihinda riri tuguthi na mbere na kumenyithia mangi maingi maria marathi na mbere na kuhanika na muno makiria kuma guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria nie njitagwo Nyarari ya Murang'a. Nĩ ngatho.